listening to 15. That's depressing song.
It's about a girl that goes to high school.
Exactly. Why did you get all the sucky pictures that I didn't want?
I got an album.
Shut up! There's too many of us. Go get some of like random ones.
Just put up these.
Shut up. You're covering things. It's funny. Why would you do that? That's
Look, I got you that. I'm done, okay? You can do whatever you want.
fine. Ow, this is burning my butt. I think I'm getting carpet burn. Yeah, I know. Go. Sorry. I'm sorry. Get out of here. Just kidding. I love you! Yeah, get away. Where's the candy?
Do you have another one?
No.
I'm trying to get photos. Can I have this photo?
No. Reaper. You're covering things.
I wanted to download.
I'll be right back.
This drama queen doesn't like any of this.
Get some good ones of me and my friends. Shut up, no! I can't believe you still kept that pose. Oh. I know. I thought you glued the pictures on here. So I glued like 5 pictures on here. Shut up! Tell my dad that I want this picture that's good. I like this picture and it's